Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. We are going to be going over multiplication. We are going to do some different strategies as to how we can multiply and just do some practice. I thought this would be kind of fun if we got some manipulatives out. So what I have here are 20 little star puffs. They're just a little baby snack. I would like for you guys to go and find some objects that you can use. 20 is preferred. That'd be great. If you could just find 20 little objects, it doesn't have to be these star puffs. It doesn't have to be a snack. If you have maybe 20 little cars or marbles or Skittles or M&Ms, anything that's kind of small and would be easy to work with, maneuver around, would be great. So if you guys would go ahead, pause the video, grab your items, and come back, we'll get started. Okay, now that you guys are back, we can go ahead and start our multiplication lesson. So I have my 20 little star puffs here, as I've mentioned before. What we're going to do to start off is do an array. And this is just one of many ways to multiply. I'm going to show you how to make an array, and I'm going to show you how to group. We're going to start with an array, but the first thing we have to go over are the two most important things of an array. That is a column and a row. So a column is straight up and down, a row is horizontal. Let me show you with my manipulative so that you guys get a really good, clear picture. So up and down, like I mentioned, is a column. Horizontal, like this, is a row, and it's not straight, but it works. Row versus a column. Perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into an array. Let's start with 3 times 2. So we could do this. Let me show you a couple different ways really fast. Okay, so over here, what I have 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, and I have 2 rows. Over here, I have 2 columns and 1, 2, 3 rows. Now, to find our answer, all we have to do is add them up. This is 2 different ways, but we should get the same answer. What I like to remember is that multiplication is just repeated addition, which makes it sound a lot less scary to me. So that's how I like to think of it. So now all we have to do is count to get our answer. So these are 2 different ones, so don't forget that. So we'll count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 doing it this way. This is 3 columns, 2 rows. This way is the same thing, except I have 2 columns and 3 rows, but the numbers are the same. So it could be 3 times 2 or 2 times 3, does not matter. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answers match. It doesn't matter which way I do it. I got the same answer. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to do that one more time with 2 times 5. So I'm going to do it my 2 ways again. So actually, I want you guys to do it with me this time. So grab your manipulatives, get ready, or your items, sorry, manipulatives is a big word. Grab your items, do this one with me. We're going to take 2 times 5 or 5 times 2. Again, I'll show you both ways. So to start, I'm going to make 2 columns and 5 rows. So that's only 4. We need 1 more to make 5. You guys can do it this way with me. So we only have 1 column, 2 columns. So we have 2 columns. So that's 2 times how many rows I have. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So we're taking 2 times 5. This way is 2 times 5. Now, over here, I'm going to be making I'm going to be, oh no, let me move these over. I'm going to be making 5 columns and 2 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now there's only 2 rows and 5 columns. So 1 row, 2 rows, sorry. And then there's 1 column, 2 column, 3, 4, 5. Now let's make sure that our answers match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 10 over here. Let's make sure I get 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They match. Perfect. So I'm going to show you another way to multiply. We can make groups. So I'm going to take 3 times 2 again, so I can make 2 groups of 3. So there's 1 group, here's 2 groups, and there's 3 in each group. So 1, 2, 3, add this one, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 doing it this way. And now I could make 3 groups of 2 by going like this. So here's a group, here's a group, here's a group. There's 2 in each group. So I have 3 groups, 1, 2, 3 of 2, 1, 2. So let's just add them up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do 2 times 5 just to show you guys. So we can have 5 groups of 2. So there's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. And we still get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do something kind of fun. If I can get this to share. Okay. We're going to multiply, but we're going to use this spinner to do it, and you guys are still going to use your manipulatives. So we're going to take 2 multiplied, or so you can say 2 times 1. 2 times 1. Let's do this one together, and I'll have you I'll have you do one by yourself, and I'll show you my answer when I get done. So we could do 1 group of 2, or we could do 2 groups of 1. Okay, let's find the answer here. So we have 2 times 1, we get 1, 2. Okay, split them up and do 2 groups of 1, and we still get 1, 2. We could do the same with, we have 2 columns here. 1, 2, or we can make 2 rows here. 1, 2. Okay, now let's find another one to do. We've got 2 again, and we will take that times 5, which we already did. So let's do 2 times 6. We have not done that one yet. So go ahead and do that. Pause the video, and I'll show you my answers when you guys get done. You guys can do it whatever way you would like. Okay, so I will show you guys my answer, and we can make sure that ours match. So what I did was I made 2 groups of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So did you guys get 12? Awesome. Okay, and then we can also do it really quick like this. 1, 2. Okay, so now we just have 6 groups of 2. We still get 12, and that is our answer. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I had a great time working with you guys. I hope that you guys learned something and can share this with others.